You're welcome to my channel again. My name is Jessica. Here is a home for positivity and here is a home for good vibes, no bad vibes. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Please accept my greetings according to your time anywhere you are. Okay, I love you guys, my subscribers. You guys are so wonderful. Thank you for always coming by, and for my newcomers, you are highly welcome to this wonderful family. Please subscribe if you have not done so. I want to quickly tell you guys what I do in this channel. Here I talk about lifestyle, relationship, do it yourself, fashion, and many more. Okay, so but in today's video, what I'm going to show you guys is what I used to treat my hair. I used 3 ingredients over the weekend to treat my hair. I have other things that I also add, but in this particular video I only use 3 ingredients to treat my hair. You can use it, is natural, no chemical reaction, no after effects, it's all natural. Okay, so I use egg, charcoal, and aloe vera. Don't go anywhere, stay with me as I show you how I did it and the end result. Okay, you can see it from my hair. I have a very shiny hair, and it's not long but it's healthy and shiny, all because of the natural ingredients that I use. Okay, I don't put too much chemical on my hair. I like going natural. Stay tuned and watch me take it step by step. Alright guys, so I have aloe vera here. I got this from my garden. Okay, I have lots of aloe vera plants in my garden, so I got 2 medium size of aloe vera, very fresh and organic. So you can get your own from any local store. All you need to do is to open up the aloe vera, scoop the gel out, then add to your blender. Okay, as you can see, the gel is so fresh, very transparent and slippery. Aloe vera has been in existence for ages. We have different species of aloe vera and they are all loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which helps to strengthen your hair and to maintain the texture of your hair. Okay, so you can use aloe vera for so many things, your beauty, adding the gel to your tea, and so many other things. So here, add your aloe vera gel into your blender, then add your egg. Okay, as we all know, egg is life. An egg is loaded with vitamin A and vitamin E, which helps to thicken your hair and keep your hair healthy. So here again I have a charcoal. What I have here is ordinary charcoal, not activated charcoal, but if you have activated charcoal you can also add it too. Activated charcoal is very medicinal. It has been in use for ages. Okay, so I got my own ordinary charcoal from the local store around my area. I pounded the charcoal by myself, filter it, and that is what I use for this video. Okay, charcoal is good for exfoliating and detoxing. Okay, using charcoal to treat your hair helps to remove all the impurity on your scalp. Remember, while using some chemical products, there are some chemical remnants on your scalp. So for you to remove this remnants, you have to use charcoal to clear all the impurity. Okay, charcoal does wonders. Charcoal clears impurity more than what ordinary shampoo can do. That is the reason why I use charcoal in this video. So add the 3 ingredients in your blender and blend them very well. After blending, it will have this fluffy look. Okay, so apply the substance on your hair. Do not bother if the substance touches your skin, as in your face. Okay, they are all natural things and they are also good for face masks. You can use these 3 ingredients to do your face masks. Okay, so after combing your hair together, cover it with your shower cap, then wrap the round edges of your head with a towel. Here I use a black cloth because already I have charcoal in this substance, so I wouldn't want to use white towel. I use this black cloth so that washing it will be easy for me. Okay, then allow this to sit on your hair for 30 minutes. Wash your hair with warm water or maybe room temperature water, then apply your cream. That's it. Okay, so the cream I use here in this video, I prepared the cream by myself. I use some oil like coconut oil, shea butter and avocado oil. I prepared all by myself. Okay, I also added charcoal. Yes, you heard me right, I said charcoal. I added charcoal to it, aloe vera and some other leaves. Okay, if you find this video interesting, please don't forget to give me thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video to your loved ones and friends. Okay, love you, stay safe, bye.